In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode on Canva. Dark mode on Canva is important because it reduces eye strain, especially during prolonged design sessions or in low light conditions. It can also help conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens. On your Canva homepage, simply click onto the settings icon on your upper right corner of the screen. Onto the settings page, navigate into the theme section. Now you can sync with your device system or simply click on dark to enable dark mode. The darker interface improves focus by allowing the design elements to stand out more clearly against the background, enhancing creativity and precision. That's how easy it is to enable dark mode on Canva. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.